Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will play with the hair dryer again, and I will use Vallejo pearl medium mixed with my pouring medium as my base, so it will be kind of a pearly Dutch pour. I don't know how to do the, Dutch pours that you see Rinske and Molly and other artists do, so I will just play with the hair dryer. It will be just painting with the hair dryer. It will not necessarily be a Dutch pour. Sometimes we are just occupied in the way that it should look like that, you should do like that, but I tried a lot of times, but I'm kind of not good with the hair dryer, so it's still a challenge for me, and here and there I have to play with it. So today is that day for me to play with the hair dryer, blowing some paint on the canvas. Okie doke. I never know how much base coat I have to put down. Where is my torch? So it will be just something that I think that I want to try. And for the colors I have Lucas Indian Yellow, Amsterdam Vermilion and Amsterdam Permanent Red Violet. Just 3 colors, and I will just do a puddle here and I will just try to blow it to that side. So a little yellow and vermilion, and maybe some drops of pearl white, and not pearl white, it's just pearl, it's without white, and this. And now I will try to do something with that. Don't like it, so let's play a little more. I will just pour this pearl white on and some yellow. like this part, but I want something. I hope that I will not. Okay, I will leave it now. Torch it. Well, that's how it looks when I play with the hairdryer. I just can't keep the negative space. Just don't know why, because I blow too much. I probably have too much paint for the regular Dutch pour. But I kind of like this one. I like that it looks like a flower here and here, just, I don't know, I just like it. I like this blending of colors here. I like this bold kind of spot here. I like that there are cells and lacing, but not too much. So I will definitely leave it to dry. But first I will take you down for a close-up of the wet results. Here it is. I will try to show you. I like this blending of colors, kind of pearly because of the pearl and pastel, and then this middle part with a lot more color, with some beautiful veins and some transparency from the colors under the pearl. This is probably my favorite part. This is how I was imagining that it will look like before something weird happened here, I don't know, before I started, but you never know what will happen. So I kind of like it. It's definitely different than Dutch pours, but don't be afraid to experiment, try different things. And I'm kind of happy with this one. Stay tuned for the dry results. So here is a close-up. Don't know what to think about it. It has a lot of beautiful things, and I kind of like this flower shaped pattern there, and here those colors. I definitely didn't do it quite proper, I think, but there is nothing wrong to experiment in fluid art. It's an abstract art, so, but I like it anyway. Now that I look at it from here, I think that I like it. Maybe I will embellish this one a little bit. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.